In this edition of Great India Drive, Power Drift explores the street food culture of Delhi and one other place that my co-host, guide and bona fide Delhi boy Sharan Bindra is keeping a secret from me and the crew. And our companion and noble steed on this epic adventure or food venture is the all-new Hyundai i20. The new i20 is gearing up to deliver us the best of Delhi and wherever else Sharan plans to take us after. And the first thing we're grateful for? God bless climate control. So cold out here. Anyway, if there is one thing that connects India apart from politics, cricket and a few other things that cannot be discussed on this specific show, it's food. So naturally this is a very special video for us and we hope you like it as much as we loved making it. Alright, looks like our adventure has begun. Sharan has sent me a location and has asked me to meet him there. Can't wait to taste some Delhi street food. I wonder what it must be. Some chaat, some kachori. I followed Sharan's location and ended up in a place called Majnu Ka Tila. And this place looked nothing like Delhi.
I think we finally found Sharan. See that lone Paji far away from his natural habitat? That has to be him. This doesn't look anything like Delhi that I know of.
मैं तेरे को ये मार्केट इसलिए लेके आया हूँ क्योंकि दिल्ली फूड का जो काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट हिस्सा है ना वो है मोमोज, राइट? क्योंकि इट इज़ नॉट मुगलाई, इट इज़ नॉट नॉर्थ इंडियन. तो मोमो घुस कैसे गया हमारे यहाँ? दिस इज द बर्थ प्लेस ऑफ मोमो. मार्केट 70 साल पुरानी है.
Okay.
Look at these shops. कहीं से देखो दिल्ली लग रहा है.
Not at
I could
all.
tell you that I'm in Leh market and you would believe me. Hey Ninja, क्या खाएगा?
My best guess would be it starts with an M and ends with an O.
And has a 4 letters.
4 letters.
And makes steering wheels.
Only Power Drift can compare food to steering wheel brands.
Now back to business. We ordered the all-time hits, the chicken momo and thukpa. Thukpa is a generic Tibetan word for any soup or stew combined with noodles. If you don't know what a momo is, please ask a friend to punch you in the face.
ये नहीं हो पाएगा.
ये चलने वाला है बहुत देर.
I can do this. और मेरा मोमो गिर गया है. तू आलू पराठा खाने वाला बंदा हूँ, मेरे को कोई फोक स्पून दे दो प्लीज. ये वाली भी आप लो. तो भाई मोमोज जो है ना दिल्ली के खाने में ऐसे बस गया जैसे बॉम्बे में दाबेली
और हैदराबाद में शावरमा.
हर मार्केट में, हर स्ट्रीट में. बट इंटरेस्टिंग बात है, द रीजन आई बॉट यू हियर इज दैट 70 years ago this very market, this colony is where Tibetan food came into Delhi. Delhi loved it so much कि खाते खाते उन्होंने एक अपना वर्जन बना लिया. शाम को देखो खिलाता हूँ दिल्ली के मोमोज, तंदूरी मोमोज आते हैं. यू विल गेट मोमोज दैट Tibetans cannot identify as momos. आज हमारे चाइनीज की एक प्लेट ले जाओ चाइना, ये क्या है सर? है बड़ा अच्छा है क्या? सेम स्टोरी है मोमोज के साथ.
We go there right now.
नेक्स्ट स्टॉप चग. ओहो मुंह चढ़ गया. भैया एक प्लेट तंदूरी मोमोज, मजे आएंगे. तो मिस्टर रोहित निंजा,
I still can't wrap my head around this.
आपने एक मोमो लिया. मेरी बात सुन यार. आपने एक मोमो लिया और उसके सारे कॉन्सेप्ट को बाहर फेंक दिया. उस पे लगाई तंदूरी चिकन की मैरिनेशन, उसको एक सीख में डाला और ठक करके तंदूर में डाल दिया. साथ में थोड़ा प्याज, थोड़ी कैप्सिकम, वो धनिया, चाट मसाला. Tell me what do you think?
This is what momos should have been.
Yeah, if they started in Jalandhar.
By a guy named insert generic Punjabi name.
Balwinder Singh.
Yes, him. You take this to Tibet. Do you think anybody's going to recognize this as a momo?
क्योंकि दिल्ली वालों ने बेसिकली एक मोमो लिया, उसकी तो माँ बहन एक कर दी। भैया एक और प्लेट तंदूरी मोमोज।
2 प्लेट और। ये मोमो एक्स्ट्रावेगेंजा खत्म करने का कोई प्लान है?
क्या खाएगा भाई? कुछ मीठा हो जाए।
मीठा मोमो खिलाने का प्लान है क्या?
ओके गूगल।
गूगल
चुप कर जा। ओके गूगल, रास्ता पूछता पूछता जा चांदनी चौक तक। ये देख, एक जलेबी और देना 100 ग्राम। तो भाई इसके लिए तो के भैया एक प्लेट और देना। इतना नफा हुआ हाथ है, एक जलेबी पूरी 100 ग्राम की है, नॉट 95, नॉट 105। दैट इज इनक्रेडिबल। पिछले 6 घंटे से हम दिल्ली में घूम रहे हैं, अभी भी इनकी गेड़ियां नहीं खत्म हो रही हैं। और तू बाबा जा अपने होटल से हो जाके, मेरे को भी घर जाने दे, मेरी बीवी मारेगी। ये ग्रेट इंडिया ड्राइव कल करेंगे नहीं तो मेरी ग्रेट इंडियन मैरिज करा हो जाए।
Excuse me, it's 5:30 a.m. in the morning. Got a call from Sharan. He's apparently waiting in the lobby and is going to take me and the crew to the final destination of sorts. Not like the movie. We've been driving for almost a couple of hours. So how far is this place from where we are?
Yeah, another 4 hours. But if you drive like Ninja, you'll take about 12 hours.
Yeah, I'd rather get there than not, right?
भाई साहब पुणे की बस मिल जाएगी क्या इसके लिए?
And this landscape is amazing. Are you sure we are in Rajasthan? Look at all the greenery around us. You tell me this is Punjab, I'll believe you.
This is called dual purpose tourism. देखो दिल्ली लेके गया, ले मार्केट की फील आई। अब तो राजस्थान लेके आया, सरसों के खेत बढ़िया चमक रहे दोनों तरफ।
Right. Speaking of which, where are we going?
We're gonna meet a friend of mine.
I'm gonna need a little more information than that.
Well, he happens to be the prince. If you think this little town of Mandava looks familiar, well, it's because this is where Amir Khan's PK was shot. And beyond these enormous gates lies Castle Mandava. Built in 1755 AD by Thakur Naval Singh, this castle, now converted into a heritage hotel, stands tall as a jewel amongst this small little bustling town, and it's home to my dear friend Angad Mandava.
Is it just me, or have you also wondered what the difference between a Haveli, a palace, a castle and a fort is? Well, it's your lucky day.
So there's a difference between a Haveli, fort, a castle and a palace. Havelis are more like a palatial house, but they're not palaces, but they're big house like mansion. A palace would not be fortified. Palace would be when you have grounds and you have beautiful gardens. And the difference between a fort and a castle is, it's like in Hindi when we say killa or gad. So killa hota hai jisme like where we have the soldiers and it's just for defense purposes. But a gad is where people would stay, like a ruler would stay or the family would stay, and is also fortified. I'm Angad. I'm from Mandava family.
Watch your head.
Yes, sir.
Why are all the doors so small? I thought Raja Maharaja लोग काफी लंबे हुआ करते थे.
ये अभी बड़े किए गए हैं.
Oh, these are the big ones.
These are castles, right? So if the enemy comes in, which is our doors are very small, they can't come in big numbers, and वो ऐसे करके आएगा. पीछे एक बंदा खड़ा है तलवार लेके and
They watched 300 a bunch of times, I believe.
With that question answered, we simply followed the aromas and made our way into the royal kitchen where we found this fine gentleman.
स्वरूप सिंह नाम है सर मेरा। 25-26 साल से इस हवेली में मैं काम कर रहा हूँ सर। सर आप आज आए हो तो आपको एक तो लाल मांस खिलाएंगे और यहाँ के एक मशहूर कैर सांगरी की सब्जी भी बहुत मशहूर है, तो वह भी आपको खिलाएंगे।
Food plays a very important part in a region, right? It's actually depicting the lifestyle or, people who are living.
राजा महाराजा के समय से ये लाल मांस चल रहा है, तो यहाँ का मशहूर भी हो गया सर। तो यहाँ आके लाल मांस नहीं खाया तो कुछ भी नहीं खाया आप। यहाँ पे मथानिया वो मिर्ची है, उनसे ही बनता है ये लाल मांस। और मिर्ची सर से उनका टेस्ट नहीं रहेगा, रंग भी नहीं आएगा, वो लाल मांस उसी से बनता है। तो सर यहाँ पे जो वो मर्द होते थे ना, वो लाल मांस खुद बना के, खुद उनकी शौक से बना के उनको खाते थे।
You have to understand, Rajasthan is mostly dry. So there's a lot of dry fodder, there was no vegetables. People had to innovate. And that meant like from basin they created gatta or keh sangri, which is grown on trees.
गरीब आदमी, नॉर्मल आदमी है तो राजा महाराजा के लिए तो वो जंगल में शिकार कर लेते, तो वो जो नॉर्मल आदमी है उनके लिए वो केर सांगरी का ही एक आइटम हुआ था, तो एक लाल मांस के मुकाबले का भी ये आइटम है।
Angad then invited us to his stable where we were introduced to his M38 Jeep and a bunch of his four-legged friends. And after a few barely adequate riding lessons,
Mom, I love you.
we set off into the desert in search of a location to conclude our adventure. I mean, food venture. And what an epic few days it's been. We sampled food that took our culinary sensibilities up a few notches, made friends with royalty and Sharan, and not to forget, we travelled in resplendent comfort thanks to the Hyundai i20. Where did I keep that last tandoori, Mama?